Doug here with two more boxes of Famous Fabrics Inc. Horrors of War 2 live here on Blowout TV. Alright, Doug, let's get at it. We got an art card. Start off with War in Afghanistan, base 10 of 40. And we've got a I think we actually hit this one. General Hideki Toho, 10 of 10. I think we hit the exact same sketch.
Yeah, this round. He's one of those,
And our cut is Ronald Forbes Adam, 1 of 1, World War II. Right. And box 2. Alright, we've got Burning of Washington, base 10 of 40. Not cool. Then we've got a Seawolf Flight Jacket, Vietnam War, 38 of 40. And our 1 of 1 cut autograph is Emil R. Bedard, Vietnam War, Lieutenant General, United States Marine Corps. All right. That'll do it, Doug, again, buddy. Appreciate it. I'll get it right out to you.